Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday and I'm just getting ready to leave. Here's a little outfit of the day for you. Got this long sleeved turtleneck shirt kind of sweater. It's in like this wine color from Target. Skirt from Cotton On, just a black skater skirt with tights and Primark booties. Literally a staple. Like, this is me. So I'm just gonna go start up the car, get a coffee to go. I need to chug some water. Got the vlog edited for today. I didn't actually upload yesterday, which was not good, but the morning was just a little too crazy with getting my lunch and stuff ready. Today I'm going to be eating the same cauliflower, broccoli, carrot, and couscous mixture as yesterday, with a slice of avocado toast. It's like half an avocado and one slice of toast. That's a snack. Got some extra veggies just because I made too many as another snack. And then for breakfast I have a smoothie with spinach, kale, strawberry, banana, and 2 little pieces of pineapple because that's all that was left in the frozen bag thing. So yeah, that's what I'm eating today. I'll give you guys a little shot of it downstairs. Got my gym bag. I think I'm gonna work out after work today. Do a quick workout and then come home and start figuring out what I'm packing for my vacation on Thursday. Literally 2 more sleeps until I get to go to Ireland, which is insane. But yeah, I really gotta go start up the car because I've been chit-chatting and kind of bumbling around this morning. So like I said, here's a sliced bread for the avocado toast. That's in there with a plate, so I have something to put it on after I toast it. And we have the mushed up avocado, the veggies with couscous, the extra veggies, and the smoothie. So yeah, there's the food for today. It's kind of like jam-packed in there. And the coffee's brewed! Yes! Good morning, Holly! Mommy asked me to bring you down. You're on the table. Come here, let's get your leash on so you can go outside and do your potties. Gotta do her morning pee-pees. Mama, I'm ready to do my potties. I'm ready. I'm not ready, Holly. Hold on. She's shaking. Are you so excited this morning? Good morning. Yeah, she's like, you know when she kind of spasms when she has to pee?
I know, but it's, I know.
Oh, it's a good girl.
Told me the world was gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kinda dumb with a finger and a thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Back to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets numb but your head gets numb. So much to do, so much to see. But what's wrong with taking the back streets? You never glow if you don't glow. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get guys. Just getting into the car. Okay. Kind of wanted to talk to you guys about something that's on my mind. Where are my keys? That's important. Where did I put them? What? I needed them to just unlock this car. Where did I put the keys? All right, a quick gym outfit while no one else is in.
the locker room top from Gymshark. It's just their charcoal, I don't know why I'm so out of breath, t-shirt. It's not cropped, goes all the way down, and purple. So that was a total gym fail. Henry, please be quiet! I literally was just showing you guys my leggings and then someone else walked in. And then I felt embarrassed. So then I stopped vlogging and then the gym was crowded. So I didn't vlog my workout. But I did an hour on the treadmill and then I did arms and abs. Sorry that I didn't get to show you. Today's dinner is brought to you by the avocado toast that I did not eat at work with a veggie burger on top. It's like an open-faced veggie burger sandwich with avocado. So I've already taken 2 bites and I'm gonna keep eating that. I have carrots and cauliflower cooking in the oven. Those are gonna be for tomorrow. Yeah, it's a good day. Eating right, being healthy. I made my smoothie for tomorrow. It's good, all good stuff. Henry, enough. Buddy, leave it. Henry, I haven't seen you all day and you didn't greet me. Hi. Hi, buddy. How are you? How are you today? How are you today, my doggy? Hello, cutie cute. Hello, cutie boy. You look so handsome. You got a haircut. Look at this handsome boy. Look at this handsome boy. Yes. You look so cute. Oh, he looks so cute. Ah. Oh, he smells good. Hi, honey. You have a good day? Give me a kiss. You're so good. I was just about to say you're so good and you bit me. I'm just trying to scratch you. I'm trying to give you loves. I'm trying to give you loves. He doesn't want to give loves right now. He wants to look out the window and bark at something. Stop snarling. I love you. I love you. Okay, bye. Holly. There you go, baby. Come on out. Look how cute she looks with her haircut. She's like, I have no time for you. Come here, give me your food. If you don't want to eat it right now, I have to put it all the way up here so the other man doesn't eat it. Okay. Hi, cutie.
Hi, cutie cute. Come here. Oh, little lady. Oh. Oh, my little lady. Oh, my little lady. Oh, she's such a good girl. Yes, she is.
All right, guys. It's only 7:30, but I think I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm trying to prep myself for the time change. Leave for Ireland in 2 days. Very excited. Happy Monday. Currently making a fruit smoothie. Let me put you guys down. So last night I fell asleep on the couch watching TV. So this morning I've been kind of like